Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add collage on Snapchat profile. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Snapchat allows college students to add their school to their profile and on the social networking application. When a user add their college to their profile, they can view their school's shared stories and connect with classmates. A badge will also be added to the user's profile with the name of their college and their graduating year. So, how to do it? It's very simple. So, first of all, of course, you have to open our Snapchat. Now, you can just go to your profile. You can tap on the up left corner here. And here, you can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option at school. You can just tap on that. And in here, you can join your college. View and join your school's share story, connect with classmates, and get a school badge on your profile. Communities are not affiliated or managed by schools. Now you can just tap on at college and you can just search for your school. For the example, this one. When you graduate, you can choose your graduate. You can tap on next. And you can enter your student email to join University of North of this college. So after that, you will need access to this email so you can receive a verification link. Verifying your email makes it easier for you and your friend to find each other on Snapchat and more. So you can enter your email, school email. After that, you can just tap on next, and that's it. How you add your college to your Snapchat profile. You can meet your friends, your classmates on your Snapchat, see the share stories on your school. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add college on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.